Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by diagnosing quickly. Plug the earphones into two sources to confirm the issue is ear-specific. Once confirmed, prepare tools and a clean workspace to avoid dust or static. This matters because tiny debris and low battery mimic failures. Make sure firmware or Bluetooth resets are complete so you don't tear into a software problem. Then power off, let them cool, and open the seam gently with a small pry tool to expose the speaker and wiring. Proceeds. Once open, clean the acoustic port and grill with a soft brush and a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl. Debris often blocks sound. Next, inspect solder joints and ribbon cables under light. Broken or cold solder is common and causes single-side failure. If wires are intact, test the driver with a multimeter and a steady 1K HZ signal to confirm cone movement. If you find a loose joint, reflow carefully with low-temp solder. If the driver fails, plan replacement. Now make the repair. Reflow the joint using minimal solder and steady heat, or replace the tiny wire/driver if needed. Solder quality matters because intermittent contact returns. Refit foam dampers and grill in original orientation to preserve tuning, and use a small dab of adhesive only where strain relief is required. Once reassembled, pair and run a stereo sweep plus a real phone call, and listen for consistent volume during a 10-minute play test. If imbalance persists,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.